Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Clover on QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just scroll down to Apps, then click on Find Apps. And in the search bar, just search for Clover, then click on Pay Tracker. So as you can see, Pay Tracker will help us sync Clover. Just proceed by clicking on Get App Now. Start by answering questions. Just choose from the options. Then proceed by clicking on Get Started. Then from here, we're just going to select Clover. So for us to be able to integrate Clover, we're going to need to get the merchant ID and API token. So in order to get the merchant ID and API token, head over to clover.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just scroll down to your homepage. Then under the e-commerce section, just select e-commerce API token. Then next is just click on create new token. Then just click on the integration type drop-down menu. Then choose hosted checkout. And from here, just make sure that you click on the eye icon to reveal the tokens. Then click on copy to copy each token, then paste it back on Pay Tracker. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on connect. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!